red color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow color, and white color. It's neither alphabets. And first letter A. A for apple. And use red color. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. It's neither E. And use red color. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for guard. H. H for helicopter. I. I for ice cream. It's neither J. J for jackfruit. And use blue color. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nest. It's neither O. O for octopus. And use green color. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. It's neither R. R for rose. And use black color. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. It's neither W. W for wallet. X. X for telephone. Y. Y for yeah. Z. Z for zebra. It's neither numbers. And use yellow color. O. And Yvonne. 2. T. W. 2. 3. T. H. R. W. 3. 4. F. O. U. R. 4. 5. F. I. V. E. 5. It's neither 6. And use red color. The numbers of 6 is IX 6. 7 is EVEN 7. 8 EIGHT 8. 9 NINE 9. 10 TEN 10. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. It's neither numbers. And first letter 1. And use red color. This is 1. O and E1. This is 2. T W 2. This is 3. T H R W 3. This is 4. F O U R 4. This is 5. F I V E 5. Kids night or 6 and use yellow color. Yellow color. This is 6. S I X 6. This is 7. S E V E N 7. This is 8. E I G H T 8. This is 9. N I N E 9. This is 10. T E N 10. Kids night 11 and use blue color. This is 11. This is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15. Kids night or 16 and use green color. Green color. This is 16. This is 17. This is 18. This is 19. This is 20. Black color, yellow color, red color, blue color, green color, and white color. Kids first draw A and use black color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for guard. Kids neither H. H for helicopter and use yellow color. Yellow color. This is H. This is I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for king. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. Kids neither O and use red color. This is O. O for orange. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. This is U. U for umbrella. It's neither V and U is blue color. Blue color. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for xylophone. This is Y. Y for yo-yo. This is Z. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.